I have in front of me an OS NINO Pro S2 plus T2. So basically it's a combo Linux box, and the colour on these particular ones is grey. So this is a really high-end Linux combo box. It's got built-in Wi-Fi, and it even has a Wi-Fi aerial that we screw directly onto it here. I'll show you the connection on the back in a minute. So if we just look at the front of the box, you can see the digital display and the buttons here just for turning it on and off and changing channels. If we turn to the side here, we have the USB ports on it, and then if we turn to the back, we'll see that we have the channels, the terrestrial input here, the satellite input there. We have the Wi-Fi connection here, and the aerial, I'm just going to screw it on at this point in time. I'll just rotate it around, and then we'll just rotate it directly upwards. We have a HDMI connection here, we have an Ethernet connection on it, and also we have a SPDIF, a digital optical output on it. RS232, normally wouldn't use that, but you could use it for forcing software onto the box. And then we have a power unit here. It's actually 3-pin 12 volt 2 amp here, and we have an IR in here. If you actually want to store this box in a discrete location, we could actually run this IR sensor normally put on top of the television. It'll stretch back to 1.5 meters into the box, and it allows you to operate the remote or the box directly from the remote control without the box itself actually being visible. We'll say if we look at the technical specifications on it, it's H.265, it has a dual core processor, 742 megahertz, and it, as I mentioned earlier, it has embedded Wi-Fi inside it. So overall, I would say this is quite a nice little unit. Linux are still continue to be popular boxes. Edision themselves really produce great boxes. They're one of the few manufacturers in the European market that are actually doing the design process entirely in-house. So it's fantastic for us, both the quality of the boxes, but also the fact that we have technical issues, great support in relation to them. The main market for Edision is Germany and the Benelux countries. So that tells you everything you need to know about they're a company that trade very much on their reputation. For the higher end Linux, we really at this point would only go with Edision, simply because it's a great price point and fantastic product specification. So that's it anyway, an overview of the OS NINO Pro combo box available directly from freetv.ie.